He's right here. Say hi,
Say
Edric.
hi to the vlog.
Edric, say hi.
Baba, ang liit na ng feet mo.
Um,
Hi, lover. Let's go na.
one.
Yeah, this is your shoes later na. Okay, when you're walking.
Mommy, you can just put mine.
Alin?
The mic is in here.
Ay, hindi mo ginamit.
Wait, can I use it?
Mamaya.
Yeah, I'm gonna put it here.
Hindi yan naka-on.
Oh. Wait, how do you do it? Hello.
Kunyari ikaw yung nag-vlog.
Hello. Hello.
Ay, hi Edric.
Hello, everyone. My name is Tanya.
Hindi nga naka-on.
I know.
Pasyal-pasyal muna. Uy, tandaan mo yung pinarkingan natin, ah. OB, level 0, zone B.
Oh, zombie.
Zone B.
Oh, zombie.
Baba, can you press to, up.
Up.
Thank you. May pasok, wala ka sa school. Naku po.
I was sick yesterday.
Kasi sick siya yesterday,
There was a
kaya
rule.
sinend off siya.
Because there was a rule.
Sinundo ko siya ulit sa school. Kasi bawal pa daw siyang pumasok.
But I'm kind of feeling well.
Let's go. Can you press number 2, Edric? Number 2. Thank you.
Oh my god. Ooh. I've been here. Oof.
Go.
Mommy, but I might lose this mic. Oh, why is that? Mommy, if I lose this mic, what will happen?
Wala. Wala na tayong mic.
That's not a balloon.
Can you show mommy your sticker? Oh, you're so pogi.
Mommy,
Let's go outside. Hindi yan toy shop. Yan, lakad-lakad lang kami. Yan yung Costa. Yan yung famous coffee shop dito sa UK. Ayan, sobrang excited niya. Nauna pa siya sa akin. We're here now sa Southampton. Punta muna tayo sa Filipino Carinderia. Ayan si ate. Thank you po.
Wow, what do you have? You have spam. Do you want some? Gusto mo ng rice para sa kanya, Ben?
May rice siya. yung baon niya sa school. Food. Unlimited rice. Unlimited rice ka din? Ha? Baon niya sa school. This is dinakdakan, this is caldereta, and unlimited rice. Free soup sila. For just 12 pounds lang. Busy naman si Baba. Edric. Nagsabaw? Oh, wait lang. Dito naman kami sa Chat Time, our favorite milk tea shop here in Southampton.
This,
Oh, mga nainitan na. Nagsando
Mommy,
na.
can I shake it? Can I shake
Ito,
it?
nagsando na.
Mommy, can I shake it?
Oo.
ASMR.
Okay na yan. Shake ka na, shake.
Can I open
Ay,
it?
naku, nakalabas pa yung tiyan.
Mommy, can I open it?
Oo. Sige, go. Open lang ha, akin yan.
Straw is black.
Share lang kami kasi madami yan, hindi ko maubos. Oh, take a sip na. Ano, masarap. We, iba yung in-order ko ngayon eh. Oolong milk tea. Kalasa niya yung D-cream sa Philippines.
I'm playing Roblox.
Hoy, ano I like it? Oh, why? Sino may topak?
Oh,
May topak ka ba? You want milk tea?
this one.
Kiss muna.
Oh no, my
Kiss
pee.
muna.
Gonna poo again, mommy. I know, my pee. Oh no, my teapot.
Ano? May teapot daw. This is milk tea, anak. You want to try? Ay, binabite mo eh. Let's go na again.
Oh, ito daw
Ulit.
gusto tayo.
Stop shouting naman.
Malaki sige. It's not actually pink, it's just my eyes. Look.
Dito naman ako sa one of my favorite shops. Uy, sino to? Uwi na kami. Bye mga seagulls. Nag-aagawan pa sila sa food oh. Teka lang. Bye. Ano yan? Ano na? It's been a long day. Pagod na ang mga kids. Oh, nagising.